heat check. He's a shark, but he ain't get his feet wet. Got the M5, I had a laptop and VTech. Put an extra band on the tab, he ain't beat yet. Pics at the low with no pics, it's a blind date. It's not a real Percocet, it's just bitrate. Poured up at 3 of the tris, I'm trying to hydrate. Too proud to turn up the bass, I'm trying to vibrate. Backdoor gang, slime season, Nickelodeon. My dogs guard the stash, I got Dobermans. N-words in Paris, and that's word to Napoleon. Paid for new teeth, I had to curb stomp the porcelains. Yeah, I'ma pull out his teeth. 6K a plate, I'm out of smoke out the pee. Drills in the track, I'm about to blow out the Jeep. The packs just landed, went from SoCal to Greece. Packs got seized cause the TP was trash. I'm hyped for the re-up cause the last load was cracked. Told my haters on the gram, get a life, touch grass. I just picked up a front, now I'm about to run track. Cayenne Turbo GT, this was smoke shit. I just hit 200, no bullshit. Walked in and jumped on the beat, then I broke it. They just put your mans in a pack, I'm trying to smoke it. Glock 19 hit his dome, it was aimbot. Brought 10 pints in the sky, made the plane hot. 2 lines of tris and I'm 30, make the pain stop. Yeah, my baby bro, fly your raindrop. This a heat check. He's a shark, but he ain't get his feet wet. Gap the M5, I had a laptop and VTech. Put an extra band on the tab, he ain't beep yet. Pics at the low with no pics, it's a blind date. That's not a real Percocet, it's just bitrate. Poured up at 3 of the tris, I'm trying to hydrate. Too proud to turn up the bass, I'm trying to vibrate.